How to see the connected apps with your Twitter account. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see the connected apps with your Twitter account easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Twitter app. Now this is the home page. As you can see, go to the top corner and click on your profile picture. Now all what you have to do is go down and click on settings and privacy right here. Now you have to choose the second option, it's security and account access, and then choose the connected accounts right here, or you can choose the apps and sessions. Click on it and it will take you to this page. Now choose connected apps, and here you will find the connected apps with your Twitter account, easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.